In this video, we'll be converting from scientific notation to decimal notation, and from decimal notation back to scientific notation. We do this by multiplying our significant figures by 10 raised to either a positive or negative power. First, we have 465,000, and we want to convert it to scientific notation. So the easy way to do this is find where the decimal point is now, draw little arcs till right after the first significant figure. And we'll write our significant figures, 4.65, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arcs times 10 to the power of 5. Now we have 3,789. So we'll start where our decimal point is, draw arcs to after the first significant figure. So now our answer is going to be 3.789 times 10, and we have 1, 2, 3 arcs to the power of 3. Now we have 0.000145. So we'll start at our decimal point, and we're moving to the right this time. We'll move right after our first significant figure. So we have 1.45 times 10, and since we move to the right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be negative 4. Now we have there's 9 zeros there, 6, 7. So we're going to start at our decimal point and draw our arcs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 arcs. And we stopped at our first significant figure. So our answer is going to be 6.7 times 10, and since we moved to the right, raised to a power of negative 10. If you need help with algebra, trigonometry, or calculus, join our community for real-time support from experts and peers. Get quick answers to your questions, tackle tough problems together, and stay on track to ace your classes. Don't go through it alone. Get the help you need today. Link in the description below. So now we have 4.67 times 10 raised to the power of negative 5. We're trying to convert back to decimal notation. So we'll start with 4.67. We have negative 5, so that means we're going to run arcs to the left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we fill our arcs with zeros. And where we stopped is where our decimal point is, so we have another 0 and a decimal point. So our answer is going to be 0.00000467. Now we have 7.894 times 10 to the power of 12. And we want to convert that from scientific notation to decimal notation. So we'll start by writing our significant figures. 7.894. We'll add our decimal point and we'll start drawing our arcs. Since it's a positive exponent here, we're going to be moving our arcs to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we'll fill our arcs with zeros and then rewrite it below. 7, 8, 9, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And there's our answer. Now we have 8.166 e raised to the power of 9. So in calculator language, e equals 10. So we can rewrite this as 8.166 times 10 raised to the power of 9. Now we're just going to write our significant figures, 8166, and we'll start where our decimal point is and start drawing our arcs to the right since our exponent is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll fill our arcs with zeros. We have 8166, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we have 1.103 times e raised to the negative 6. Remember, e equals 10, so we have 1.103 times 10 raised to the negative 6. Since our exponent is negative, draw 1, 1, 0, 3. And with the negative exponent, we're going to move our arcs to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll fill our arcs with zeros. Remember, since we went to the left, we have an extra 0 for our decimal point to end where our arcs end. Our answer is going to be 0.000001103. So now we've got a word problem. Find the scientific notation for the number of seconds in a year. So first we'll write out all of the things that it takes to get from a year to seconds. So 1 year equals 365 days. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Now we'll do a little multiplication. 365 times 24 times 60 times 60. Our answer is going to be 31536,000 seconds. We'll start at our decimal point and make arcs until we get to right after our first significant figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 3.1536 times 10 raised to the power of 7. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And if you want real-time help with algebra, trigonometry, or calculus, join my school community, link in the description below.